Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure post notifications on this post video. I need 15 offers for $3. I was really hoping for 5, but it is what it is. We are tracking for the larger bonus as well, so I'll try to tackle as many of that as I can for this haul. It is good for the rest of this month, which is really cool because it's like there's like no rush. But with the razor deal resetting, it's gonna make it hard to not want to do those deals. Now, I did try doing that deal again. I went to a regular cashier. They all scanned perfectly fine, so that was pretty cool. And I did get credit on Ibotta again. I did have a 10 off of 15 promo code that I got from Walmart for calling. I'm telling y'all, whenever you're doing Walmart rewards and you don't get your cash, always call customer support, because chances are they're gonna give you a promo code. And in fact, the last time that I called, she gave me 3, and I was like, what? She gave me 3. She gave me 5 off of 10, 10 off 15, and 25 off of 45. The first one she gave me was a 25 or 45. I think she was thinking, oh, I'm gonna save her a lot of money, I'm gonna give her this, and I'm like cool with that or whatever, but I really wanted the lower ones, and so that's when she gave me the other 2, 5 off 10, 10 off of 15. So today I did curbside use 10 off of 15 on the Airwick and the, was it Airwick? Yeah, the Airwick and the Glade. So it was like perfect, made it like a $10 moneymaker, right? And so that worked out really good. Other than that, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
So this next deal is on the bubbly. Nicole posted this deal as well. They're on rollback for $3.76. Now for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $7.52, getting back $3 for each on Fetch Reward. I think it's a spend 3, get back 3. With a limit of 2. So it'll make them only 76 cents per 8-pack, which is definitely not bad. I've never really tried these before, but I also noticed that they have the better good ones down here on clearance for the 8-pack for $175. It's the lime and the lemon flavors. So actually, you want to see the UPC just in case? There's the UPC. And so yeah, that's not a bad price. I've never tried these, but hell, I never tried these either. I'd rather pay 76 cents for 8 than $1.75. So this is the store that don't carry the Violife creamer. I went ahead and grabbed it for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. It's priced at $4.88. Getting that back makes it absolutely free. So I did Walmart Rewards first, got that $4.88 back, and then rolled that into the one that I got on Ibotta. And so the deal that keeps on popping up that we really don't need, but we get because we want to hit that bonus. It's the Airwick Advance, priced at $3.98. Limit is 3, getting back 4, makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. So grabbing 3 of those. There's also an offer on the Glade one as well. It's priced at $178. Getting that back, making that an absolute freebie. And so I had a 10 off of 15. I decided to do curbside. All right, so this is what I did. I went ahead and grabbed the air freshener, 3 of the Advance, and 1 of the Glade warmers. The total is going to come to $16.10. I had that 10 off of 15 promo code. And then I paid $6.10. I got back $15.28 for Walmart Rewards, making this a $9.10. All right, so next up is the Palmolive. I did talk about this in my last video. It was definitely a run deal, but the offer is still available. At least I still show it for Easy Bucks, which is right there. It's still there. So for this, it's on the limited one, the fresh lemonade, as well as the peach blossom. They're priced at $2.82. Getting 4 of them, you'll pay $11.28, and you'll get back $10 through Swagbucks. There's also $1 back for 1 on Ibotta. Brings me down to 7 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. I did do this across the board. We did Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada. So I did grab 16 bottles yesterday. And as far as inbox dollars and Tada, they did go into review yesterday, and they both have cleared this morning, which is awesome. So not getting back the extra $1 from either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta for those 2 sets would make them $1.28, which is still not a bad deal. Right, so this next deal I saw, I think I saw Nicole because her ass was on fire yesterday posting deals. And I believe that's who I saw posted deal on the Purcell. It's on the 40 ounce bottles. They are priced at $5.44. Let me see if I can find one that's 40 ounces because it seems like they don't have any. I might have to check a different store. I got two yesterday and realized it was the wrong size, so I had to return them. But if you can find two of the 40 ounces priced at $5.54, I have these pillies that I found forever ago. I didn't even realize they were still valid. That's going to bring that total down to $6.88. You'll get back $2 for each one I bought, which I did. And you'll also get back $3 on Fetch, which obviously I didn't because I got the wrong size. So it would make them both free plus a 12-cent moneymaker. So not a bad deal on some parts. This is stem. Price at $14.48. We did go over this in a previous video. Getting back $10 on Checkout 51, which I did. And then also getting back $10 on Swagbucks, which it did go into review and it just cleared this morning, which I was so happy that it finally freaking cleared. It took forever. It took 4 days, but that's still like forever, right? When you're used to getting your money like right now. And so it basically ends up making that a $5.52. I had to grab them out the case because I had to get the lady when I could, because y'all know when you're waiting for something, then to get you something out the case, it take an eternity. All right, eternity. So this deal here, I did it already. They have all reset, so I'm gonna do them again. All right, so the Extreme and the Hydro Silk are both priced at $6.78. So I used this coupon here. One of you guys asked, did I use this coupon on this? I sure did. And so you'll end up paying, what, $2.78? You get back $3 for each. Makes them a 22-cent moneymaker for each set, limit of 2. The Skintimate one is priced at $6.27. $4 coupon, when you pay $2.27, get back 3 on Ibotta. Makes it a 78-cent moneymaker, I want to say. Limit of 2. So this will be the second time I'm doing this. And so yeah, we're definitely going to hit that bonus today. So this last deal that I'm going to grab, it's another deal brought to you by your sponsor of this video, Miss Nicole over on Instagram. So we're going to grab the Total Gun Protect price at $5.96. For this, you want to grab a total of 4 of them. The price is going to come to $23.84. You'll get back 1,020 points on my points, which is 607. I think I only had the $6 on my points. I definitely didn't have it on Swagbucks. Swagbucks is still $5, and Inbox Dollars is still $5. I didn't check Tada or Easy Money. But yeah, getting back 5 on Checkout 51 and then 5 on Ibotta makes them 42 cents. I just happened to find these Vital Pods. It's a Paris Hilton. I thought I saw this on aisles. There's an offer for $5 back. So I guess it would make it like $3, which I guess is not bad if this is something that you won't grab. I'm gonna pass. Aren't these bottles so freaking cute? I want to buy this so bad, but why do I need another bottle? I got a half-gallon bottle that I like literally live by. But these are so cute. This one is $4. You could check your area. The pink one, either like, what's it called? Rose gold, is $6. Oh, I didn't show you the UPC for these, huh? This one do for you. This is the blue one. Oh, what's that? Who remembers Barney? This is a new Barney. It's crazy how they redoing all these cartoons. Like, I liked the old school Barney. I don't like the Barney's World, the new Barney. You guys, I'm at a different store. Look what I found. Like, I don't need it though. But look, originally 50 for 15, and I was just looking at this the other day. But I already have a NutriBullet. Like, I have the regular one, but this one looks so cool. Let me show you UPC. I don't think I'm gonna get it because, like, Lord knows I really don't need it. And I have one at home that I don't even really use. So what I'm gonna do, buy this for the use, so not to use the one I got at home that I already paid for. So yeah, I want to get it, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna have some self-control and not get it, but I want to though. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. That Palmolive looked bomb. I'm so happy about that deal. It was still on the sister apps this morning. I still had it on EasyBucks. I was gonna do it, but I was just like, Nah, because I hate to be waiting for rebate money to come back. Although the other receipts for inbox dollars and Tadat both cleared this morning, I was just like, nah, we'll wait it out. But the stem, that one did clear this morning on Swagbucks, which is cool. I think as of right now, the only thing that's in review is the Colgate on my points. But everything else has gone through already for me. Other thing, the bubbly, I do have that on my other Fetch account. And so I may do that deal again, but I haven't tried them personally. So once I try each flavor first, then I'll decide if I want to grab it again, because less than $1 is not bad. As far as the Vial Life, so something happened today that, I mean, usually Ibotta's pretty good with reversing. They reverse game be up there, right? But they don't always reverse stuff. But for the Vial Life, I did that yesterday, and I did it on 2 separate transactions, one for Ibotta, one for Walmart Rewards. And the receipt for Walmart Rewards, when I scanned it on Ibotta, because I had Ibotta offers on there, it actually picked it up, and it still gave me credit. So I actually got credit for one of those twice on Ibotta and on Walmart Rewards. And so I expect they'll reverse it, but as of today, they haven't. So I did get back the extra $4.88 as of right now. But again, I do expect they will reverse it, but as of now, they have not. I didn't find the Purcell. I didn't find any 40-ounce bottles, so I'm not counting the 4 that I got back from Ibotta, because when I returned them, I was going to go and exchange them, so I didn't use a receipt. I just did it and got back the gift card. But when I went back there, they didn't have any other 40 ounces, and so I didn't even do that deal. I do want to still do the deal, but as of now, I haven't found any 40-ounce bottles that would work for the Fetch offer. And so, yeah. And so other than that, everything you see here retails $209.86. We had $58 in coupons. That was all of the razor coupons plus the 10 off of 15 promo code. That brought the out of pocket down to $151.86. Our sales tax was $11.62. And so we walk away with $77.54 from Ibotta, $22.80 from My Points, $20 from Swagbucks, $21.16 from Walmart Rewards. Checkout 51 was $15. Inbox dollars and Tada was $10. And last but not least, Fetch Reward was $6.08. So getting back a total of $182.58 makes everything you see here free, plus a $30.72 moneymaker, which is really, really, really awesome. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end, thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to see a butterfly in the comments if you made it to the end. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.